Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you how to add accounts into MKT X. So first that you can add a new category. You can put the name in. For example, when save the accounts and I will click the plus, it will show a category. The second you're gonna add accounts, then you can copy all the accounts that you save in the notepad and you can paste into the software. And you want to choose like the category you want to save the accounts to and select the format of the accounts. For example, my account will start with the username. Next one is gonna be password and email. Password of the email, and the last one is gonna be the private key. After you choose like all the format of the accounts, you can click the green button to save all the accounts in. It will show the small window and you can turn it off. From now you can click the circle one and you can choose the category to save the accounts, and you can click the load so all the accounts will show up, and you can mark all the accounts. If you want to paste the static proxy, you can go to paste and paste proxy intern. If not, then if you have like a dynamic proxy, you can go to system information, you can go to IP config, and you can choose like the website you want to put the API of the dynamic proxy in, and you can click save. And this is the end for today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you.